everyone, welcome to another episode of Aastha's Makeup Closet. Sorry, I've been MIA for the past 5 days because I was setting up this new beauty space, and as you can see, yay! And I did a poll on Instagram asking if I should do one look with each palette that I own, and a lot of people, I think 71% people said yes. So I think that's what we're going to go into, as well as I had a request from a friend of mine, Kiki, saying that she wanted to see a nice smoky eye. So I was thinking that there are two ways of doing a smoky eye. So let's try and do smoky eye two ways in this video using one palette. So one palette each, or maybe just the one palette. I'll decide a little later once I'm into the look. And let's take it from there. Alrighty, let's go. So I'm starting off with the Shiseido Paperlight Cream Eye Color in beige grey, and I'm applying that with a Morphe brush all over the eyelid, over my crease as well. This is just going to make sure that this will make sure that that the matte eyeshadows that I lay on top of the cream color are going to show up really nice and pigmented, and they won't crease. So here's me applying the first matte shade, which is an all over lid shade, which is pretty much the same color as the Shiseido cream color. If you see me turning around and looking at stuff, that's just me picking up my brushes. So I like to keep them all in a container. So going into the second color, I'm going to be applying that to the crease and a little towards the lash line as well. I sped up the process, because I just felt that application is something practically every second person knows. So, just going in with a Bobbi Brown smudger brush. It's a nice natural hair thick brush with the darkest shade, and again deepening up the crease in the outer corner of the eye. This is a Japanese brush that I have, again a natural hair brush. I was just blending out the colors using the Maybelline gel eye color pencil on the lash line, just to deepen up that area and deepen up the color, and then using the Bobbi Brown smudger brush to blend it all out. So usually what happens is that smoky eyes always go in a gradient, darkest to light, dark from the shadow from the lash line going up towards the brow, and just lightening towards the brow. So it's always a gradient. Now applying the same three colors that I applied on the top lash line to the bottom lash line as well, and connecting it to the corner. That is a Morphe pencil brush, a small brush which is excellent for putting eyeshadows on the lower lash line. And then I used the same Maybelline gel eye color on between the lashes, smudged it out, put it in. I tightlined my eyes, and I also applied it to my waterline. So this was just to make sure that there was good definition around the eyes, and I just didn't want my skin to show through the color of the skin. So just wanted everything nice and dark. So that's what I did here. Basic framework of the smoky eye, which is gray in color, and I'm gonna do my face and the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm back, and this is the final look. I did my whole face. I tried putting on lashes, and oh god, they were really driving me nuts today. So I just thought 2 layers of mascara and that would be it. And I hope you like this look. This is one of the simplest smoky eyes that you can do. And on to the next one. In the same video, I would be showing a smoky eye that has been made famous by the great Rae Morris. I take her online classes, master classes. I've been doing so for the past 9 or 10 months. and it's a technique that she teaches when it comes to the smoky eye, which is absolutely fantastic. So keep on watching for the next one. So this was my take on the Rae Morris smoky eye, the technique that she uses, where she goes about a third, she divides the eye into three sections. So this is the first section of the eye, the second section, and the third. So the third section of the eye, you just, what I've done in the entire look is that I just took about a centimeter or so of the eyeshadow outside, straight outside from the outer corner of the eye, and then took it up on an angle here, so that it gave like a nice, either a V shape or a nice rounded shape. So it's really up to you as to what kind of the shape of eyes that you have. If you have like almond shaped eyes, or I'm sorry, my camera battery was dying, so I just had to do a little something, just a little something there. So as I was saying that, so it depends on your eye shape, whether you want to take it into a slight V on the outer corner, or you want to take it into a more rounded shape. So that's exactly what I've done here. Whatever fallout, or wherever I feel that I've sort of messed up, I'm just going to clean it up with the concealer. and wear a full face of makeup, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, I'm back. Both the eyes are done, and this is my take on the Rae Morris Smoky Eye. I didn't wear lashes again. I just used a volumizing mascara and decided to go in for a slightly more nudish brown lipstick. And I hope you liked the tutorial, and you can sort of take your call on what kind of a smoky eye, what kind of a smoky eyed look would you like to go in for. And I hope this was helpful, and if you do decide to recreate any of these looks, do tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you later. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're all safe.